This is an era of innovation. Every reform will lead to technological progress. This is a highly interconnected digital era with artificial intelligence, and intelligent factories have become the symbol of the era. Haiyu CNC insists on making a world-class enterprise in the field of automatic welding, and takes it as its entrepreneurial intention and perseverance, professionally providing customers one-stop supply and service of automatic welding equipment, with high-quality products and the best solutions, making great effort to build a first-class enterprise, create high-quality products, and serve the world by constantly striving for excellence. In Haiyu, we stick to our original intention, work hard to make progress, dedicated to R&D in the welding field. Years of deep cultivation has made Haiyu prosper. Now, Haiyu has built a modern industrial park of tens of thousands of square meters and the first-class CNC equipment becomes a modern enterprise integrating scientific research and development, precision manufacturing, and marketing services in the industry. Haiyu has a whole system powerful team with rich experience from design to production, from marketing to after sales. Haiyu can provide users with advanced and sophisticated CNC equipment, continuously improving customers' competitiveness and create more value for customers with its products. Haiyu has always maintained a good strategic cooperation relationship with well-known enterprises at home and abroad. Sany Heavy Industry, Zoomlion Heavy Industry, Shantui, XCMG, FAW Group, and other leading enterprises in the domestic industry are long-term users of Haiyu. Haiyu of the world is not just our dream and slogan. Over the years, Haiyu has left deep footprints in the world's territory, with its products exported to more than 40 countries and regions in Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, and North America. Along the way, setbacks and challenges coexist, but we are confident that once we make up our minds and make real efforts in Haiyu, it will not be too difficult. Just like the snail, although we walk slowly, we are very focused and will never give up our goal. We are always confident, and there are never mountains or rivers that cannot be crossed in our mind. Now, our products are replacing imports step by step and further going abroad. We have always focused on innovation, with technological innovation as the soul of Haiyu's development. A talented, professional, and young team in Haiyu has paid special attention to independent research and development and has made a number of breakthroughs in new technologies, including nearly 10 technologies authorized with national invention patents. Relying on innovation, we have opened a new way and created a new field. Haiyu is facing the whole world with a new attitude, displaying its unique style. In the face of fierce competition, Haiyu people have made outstanding achievements with product innovation as the driving force, market expansion as the goal, and product quality as the guarantee. The marketing team keeps approaching to seize the opportunity. The technical elites focus on the needs of customers, research and develop accordingly and accurately, and new products have been produced iteratively. Haiyu adheres to the original intention of starting the business, regards products as its life, and always pursues upgrading and improvement of products and impeccable quality. The whole staff practices the craftsman spirit, treats every product with ingenuity to ensure zero-defect production and high product quality, and guarantees the interests of its users. In the face of difficulties and challenges, HiU people have always taken making a world-class enterprise in the field of automatic welding as the initial intention, taking built to last as the ultimate goal, looking for opportunities in the face of challenges, calmly facing the difficulties, insisting on doing practical things, and so making excellent and refined products. In the future, we are full of confidence and firm belief. With passion, honesty, and trustworthiness, we'll work together to make continuous innovation and improvement. Make full use of new generation technologies such as 5G and AI to explore the intelligent and digital production process, obtain more achievements, and move towards a more brilliant new future.